one of the greatest walks of our people in all of history. Over 3,000-4,000 years of continuous rule. But this history has been scandalized by the Torah, the Christian Bible, the Quran, to destroy our memory of when we were the rulers on this planet. You know, to keep us in imprisonment. They continue to attack Egypt and attack Kush and attack the office of Pharaoh, which has been the most powerful position that the black man has ever held in all of his history. And it has been scandalized to me a wicked ruler, a despot. We must free ourselves.